Hi, I'm Janet, and today for Tag It Tuesday, I'm going to be using scraps. I just pulled a couple of colors out of my scrap bin, and I have pulled out a variety of circle punches, and I am just going to go to town on getting as many circles as I can out of those pages, and then we'll come back and put them on our tag. Okay, so there we have it. I have punched out all of my colors, and you'll notice as I punched, I used my punches upside down, so like so when I put the paper in, so I could see where things were going to line up and whether or not I was going to get a good contact with the paper. So now all we need to do is take our dots and now just start by going through here, just building some fun looks. All right, so that is my next step. I'm going to bring in my wet glue, and I am just going to start building these little circles, and then we'll figure out how we want to put them on our tag. All right, so I think this is what our composition is going to do. Might get one more in here just to kind of give some weight up there in the corner. So something like that. And so now I just have to go through and glue all of these pieces down. Okay, so here I'm just going to clean up. Now, this was just using scrap paper and the punches I had. And so you can see I probably should have cleaned these up before putting them down, but I'm just going in and getting rid of the little fuzzies, and then I'm going to turn my tag over and clip off all the extras. Now, to make this work together, I picked colors that worked well together. I set a palette colors and stuck to them, right? I cut all different sizes, and I repeated those colors on my tag, and then I went through and tried to balance the use of those colors on the front. And so we'll take a look at that in just a second here. And I also, although I did different looks to the large circles and how I attached the dots, all the dots are of a similar a group of sizes, right? So that relates to each other as well. And I did try to duplicate some of the combination designs, if that makes sense. I'll show you here in just a second after I clip off. Okay, so there we have it. It's colorful, it's playful, it's got visual repeats of things, so you can follow through. The purple brings your eye back in, the greens, you know, so I have visually kind of balanced things out without even really trying too much. But there you go. I mean, I could keep going. I have more dots here, obviously. I have more that I can play with. But how fun. What a fun technique to just, you know, use up your scraps and play. It's just paper. You really can't make a mistake. Are you going to make a tag out of it? You can, like I did. You could do this on a card front. How cute would that be for a birthday card? Or to say hello. I mean, I think it would really brighten someone's day to get something so colorful and active and playful. So, yeah, what a fun technique just to kind of sit down and play and use what you have.